Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI Prolactin CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay. This reagent kit is used for analyze the prolactin levels in human blood or serum. Here we can see the brand name Snibe Dynasticks. This is a product name MAGLUMI Prolactin CLIA, and these are the contents: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 5.5 ml buffer, 10.5 ml ABI label, 5.5 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2, and these are the reference number. The reference number is 1302520006M, then lot number, then expiry date. These are the pictorial reference of instruction manual. Not storing direct sunlight. This product is maintained 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. In this product we can use 100 states. This is a C certificate IVD reagent kit. Here we can see the manufacturing details also. These are the contents are present in front view. In the side view we can see the brand names Snibe Dynastic. On the other side we can see the Maglumi product name Prolactin. The reference number 1302520006M. In back view we can see the Snibe Dynasticks brand name. These are the total representation. Here we can go for get out the products from this box for your reference. Here we can see the contents inside the box. The first one is instruction manual. In this instruction manual we can see the Snibe Dynasticks brand name, MAGLUMI Prolactin CLIA product name, and also this is a CE certificate product. The reference number is also there, 100 test kits and 50 and 30. In this instruction manual we can see the intended use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, and how to handling this reagent kit. Then specimen storage, specimen dilution procedure. These are the contents are inside in this manual. We can keep aside this. The next one is QA certificate. This certificate is provided by Snibe Dynasticks for this reagent kit. I keep aside this. Then third one is Maglumi reagent seal. Then fourth one, this is a prolactin control stickers. Total number of 8 stickers. Prolactin control 1 of 4 noses. Then prolactin control 2 of 4 noses. Total number of 8 stickers. Then we can see the controls, control 1 and control 2. I am take this out for your reference. Here we can see clearly the control 1 and control 2. These are the Maglumi Prolactin controls. And keep this aside. Here we can see the Maglumi Prolactin reagent kit. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 5.5 ml buffer, 10.5 ml ABI label, 5.5 ml dilute. This is the front side view of this kit, and this is a back side view. Here we go for summarize. This is Snibe Dynastic Maglumi Prolactin CLIA. This reagent contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 5.5 ml buffer, 10.5 ml ABI label, 5.5 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2, and this reference number is 1302520006M. This product contains one instruction manual, one QA certificate, Maglumi reagent seal stickers, control stickers, total number of 8 nos, 2 controls, control 1 and control 2, and a reagent kit. Thank you.